Hello, in this tutorial, I will teach you how to apply Amazon Flex debit card. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And if you want to create an account on Amazon Flex, you can use the link in the description and you may get discount and rewards upon signing up. So without further ado, let's get started. So right here on the Amazon Flex website, what I'm going to do now is to go down until I find this Let's Drive button right here. So after that, I can just, download the Amazon Flex application. And after downloading the Amazon Flex app application using that link, I can just, create an account, signing my account. And after logging in my account there, I can just, buy some, Amazon Flex card. And in that application, I can also activate that card there. And yeah, that's it. By adding your card, you just need some, information, same information that you need to provide when, applying for a normal debit card. So that includes your, address, your phone number, email address, your full personal information, and etc. etc. And yeah, that's it. So after you got your your card, you can just activate it on the application itself using the 16-digit code and also the expiration date and security code. And yeah, that's it. That's all you can do. That's it for this tutorial. If you want more, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next one. Bye.